this video, we're going to discuss about the blood pressure in transportation in plants and circulation in animals. So, blood pressure. Blood pressure is the force exerted during the flow of blood against the lateral walls of arteries. So, a pressure was created when the blood is flowed to the blood vessels. So, that is especially the arteries. That pressure is called blood pressure. The blood pressure is high in the arteries, gradually drops. So, the blood pressure is high in arteries and it gradually low down in arterioles and capillaries and very become low in veins. So, the blood pressure is expressed in terms of systolic pressure and diastolic pressure. Systolic pressure. During ventricular systole, the left ventricle contracts and forces the blood into aorta. So, in ventricular systole, the left ventricle will contracts. Okay, it contracts and the blood is flown into the aorta. So, now the pressure rises to a peak, which is referred as systolic pressure. Diastolic pressure. During diastolic pressure, the ventricles relax. In systolic, the ventricle contract, but here the ventricles relax and the pressure falls to the lowest value. So, the pressure falls to the lowest value, that is called diastolic pressure. In a healthy adult, during normal resting condition, the systolic and diastolic pressure should be 120 mm bar 80 mm Hg. 120 bar 80 mm Hg. Okay, that is systolic pressure is 120 mm and diastolic pressure is 80 mm Hg. So, the blood pressure can vary during physical exercise, anxiety, emotion, stress and sleep. A prolonged or constant elevation of blood pressure is called the hypertension, high blood pressure. So, it can increase due to high blood pressure, the heart attack can occur or stroke can occur. So, decrease in blood pressure, it is called hypotension. So, high BP is called hypertension and hypotension is called low BP or low blood pressure. Stethoscope. So, you all know the stethoscope is a device used to hear the heart sound. So, you can see the earphone and ear tube, and this is diaphragm. You can see a bell like structure, that is, and the stem. Okay. So, a stethoscope is used to detect the sound produced by the internal organs of human body. So, to hear the internal sound of the body. So, the heart sound is heard by placing the stethoscope on the chest. It is usually a diagnostic tool to identify and localize the health problems and diagnosing the disease. The modern electronic stethoscope are highly precise instrument. Sphygmomanometer. So, it is a device used to find the blood pressure. Okay. So, this is digital one and this is normal one. This one is. Sphygmomanometer is a clinical instrument used to measure blood pressure with a person in a relaxed and resting condition. So, when the doctor will wrap, you are in sitting resting condition, they will check the blood pressure. So, the pressure is branchial artery is measured. So, the pressure in which means branchial artery's pressure is measured. It helps to estimate the state of blood circulation and the working of the heart. So, the blood circulation and the working of the heart is determined. It helps to diagnose the conditions such as increased or decreased blood pressure. So, it is used to measure the increased or decreased blood pressure. Monometric and modern digital types are the apparatus used to measure the blood pressure. So, this is a monometric one and this is a digital one. Hope you understand the topic. If you have any doubts, post the doubts in the comment box. If you want to watch the video in Tamil, I had given the link in the description box. You can go and watch it. Give a thumbs up, share, subscribe to Science Easy Tech channel.